Okay, here we go. So now we'll first learn some additions tables. Now in our additions tables, what happens is that you know that they are basically 10 digits, Avita. We have 10 digits, okay? They created the additions table using this 10 digits only. What they did, they first took the first digit 0, okay? The 0, they add to 0, 1 through 9. For example, like see, I'll just tell you what I mean to say by that. The first 0, they took the 0 and added to 0. Then they took the 0, then they add to the next number, that is 1. Then they took 0,
Sir, 1,
added to 2. Then they took 0, then added
3,
3. Next up 0 plus
4,
0 plus
5,
0 plus 6.
6,
6.
7, 8,
And last
8.
is 0 plus
9,
9.
9.
Okay. Now tell me with 0, how many combinations you can see right now?
9.
Sir,
So many numbers.
Count and tell me. So many and
So
how many are there?
many.
Count and tell me.
Sir,
90. Sir, 10.
10. Check it out.
sir, 10.
The 10 combinations. Now what they did, our ancient Indians, they first did some permutations and combinations. Permutation, what does it mean? I'll tell you a bit later what is the permutation, okay? Now, right now we have 10 combinations, okay? Then they did the same thing with the next digit, that is 1, okay? They took the 1, they added it to 0. Then took the 1, added it to 1. Then 1, they added to 2. 1, they added to 3. 1 to 4. 1, they added to 5. 1, they added to 6. 1, they added to 7. 1, they added to 8. And finally, 1, they added to 9. Now tell me totally how many combinations we got.
10.
10 again, obviously, right? 10. Okay. Now, what they did the same thing with the next digit. What's the next digit?
2.
2.
2.
The same thing they did with 2. They added 2 to 0. They added 2 plus 1. They added 2 plus 2. They added 2 plus 3.
3,
Then 2 plus 4. And 2 plus 5. All right. Now tell me how many combinations we got now.
10.
10. That's it. With every digit, you're getting 10 combinations. Okay. Then they did the same thing with the next digit. What's the next digit?
3. Third.
They added 3 to 0. They added 3 to 1. They added 3 to 2.
3 to 3. 3. 3 to 4. 5. 6. 6. 7. 7. 8.
Yeah, notes.
Okay. Next, what they did? They took what digit next?
4. 4. 4.
4.
Okay. Who is that? I can listen to some TV voice. Anya? Who's that girl? Anya. Anya, mute Vedko. Unmute Jeku. Then they add 4 to 6. They added
4 to 7.
7.
4 to 8. And finally, the 4 to 9.
9.
Right? Okay. Now, next they took 5. Same thing there with 5. Okay. 5 plus 0. 5 plus 1.
5 plus 2.
2.
5 plus 3.
3. 5 plus 4.
4.
5 plus
5
5.
plus 5 plus 6.
5
plus
plus
6.
5 plus 6.
5 plus 7 plus 7.
7.
5 plus 8.
5
5 plus 8. 5 plus
5
9.
plus 9. 10.
9.
5
Okay.
plus 9.
Okay. Next, they took the next digit.
6.
6
plus
plus 1 is 1.
6 plus 2 plus 2. 6 plus 3
3. 6 plus
6
4.
plus 4
6 plus 5.
6 plus 6
Plus 6.
6 plus 6
7.
6 plus 7
6 plus 8.
plus
8
plus 9
plus
6
9.
plus 9.
Okay, next, they took 7, right?
7. 7 plus 0. 7 plus 1.
7 plus 1 plus 2
7 plus 2.
7 plus 2 7 plus 3
7 plus 4. Plus 5. 7 plus 6. 7 plus 7. 7 plus 8. 7 plus 9. 8
plus 5
0.
8
8
plus 9 5 8
8 plus 2. And
8
plus 3. 8 plus 4.
plus 4
plus
8
5.
plus 5 8 plus 6 8 plus 7
8
8
plus 8.
plus
8
8
plus
plus
9.
Now, finally, they took 9.
Mommy, I'm in there.
Finally, 9 plus 9.
8
So we are done with all the digits, right? We start from 0 plus 0 and we ended at 9 plus 9. Okay, now, I was telling about a terminology called permutations and combinations. Combinations you understood. With every digit, we have 10 combinations, right? But what do you mean by the term permutation? Permutation means, see, you can see the whole 0 thing. 0 plus 0 to 0 plus 9, it's actually called one permutation. Now, come and tell me, on the whole, on the board, how many combinations you can see together? All put together, how many combinations are there?
9
No. With every digit, you have 10 combinations, no?
10.
And then we have only 10 digits. There are 10 combinations with every digit. And there are 10 digits. So how many totally?
10
100. Yes. Now what's this? Now with 0, we have 10 combinations, or no? With 1, we have 10 combinations, or no?
10
With 10, with 2, we have 10. 3 also 10. 4 also 10. 5 also 10. 6, 7, 8, 9. With every digit, we have 10 combinations, no? And
Yes.
how many permutations now?
100.
No. 10 permutations.
10
Endukante, I tell you what. With all 0, there's one permutation. The first permutation, okay? But then 1 with the whole one thing together, it's again one permutation. Got it? With 2, it's one permutation. With 3, one permutation, okay? The 10 digits now, so 10 into 1.
10 into
Got
1
it? All one, no, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, and you know, all one together, all one, then one combinations, okay? One permutation, what I want to say. All one permutations. 10 permutations. Got it? There are totally only 10 permutations. Permutation means, now for example, with 0, see, 0 to 0, 0 to 1, 0 to 2, 0 to 3. Now only this one thing, 0 to 1 is called a combination. The whole thing together is actually called a permutation. Got it?
permutation.
With 0, there are 10 combinations and it's all one permutation. Ardhamavutunda?
Yes.
With 1, we have 10 combinations and it's altogether one permutation. With a 0, it's the first permutation. With 1, second permutation. With 2, third permutation. With 3, fourth permutation. With 4, fifth permutation. With 5, sixth permutation. With 6, seventh permutation. With 7, the eighth permutation. With 8, the ninth permutation. With 9, the 10th permutation.
10.
Okay, now what happened? These 100 combinations. Okay, what they did, they observed this. They've seen that this addition table is natural. We don't even have to use the brain. It's so natural that we can just tell the answers in no time. Now I'll ask you some addition combination. You all must answer me better. Okay, ready? Here?
Okay.
Start. How much is 1 plus 2?
3.
2 plus 4?
6.
0 plus 6?
6.
3 plus 5?
3 plus 5.
8. 5 plus 1? 5 plus 1?
6.
7 plus 2?
9.
9 plus 1?
9. 10.
2 plus 7?
9.
3 plus 4?
9, sir.
3 plus 7.
5 plus 3?
8.
3 plus 2?
3 plus 5.
8 plus 2?
8 plus 2. 11.
10. Anna, easy there? All are easy?
Yes, sir.
No, wait.
Yes,
Now,
sir.
one last. Okay, come on, everybody. Everybody must answer in a flash, okay? Without any hesitation. You have to tell the answer in no time. Okay, ready? Start. 0 plus 3?
0 plus 3.
3. 5 plus 4?
5 plus 9.
3 plus 2?
3 plus 2.
5 plus 2?
5 plus 7.
4 plus 5?
4 plus 5. 9.
6 plus 2?
8.
No. 8 plus 7?
15.
Why you took so much of time? Yes. Now what happens? All the before combinations what I asked you, they were very easy. But the last one what I asked you, 8 plus 7, it took quite some time for you to think and guess the answer, right? Yes. Now I tell you what is the logic there. All numbers which add up to 10, they are very natural additions. But numbers which are adding to more than 10, the brain will take a little time to calculate and give the answer, beta. That's the logic. So, what happens is, in this 100 combinations, all the combinations which add up to 10, we're going to erase from the board. Okay, now watch, look at the board. Because all numbers which add up to 10, we can add up in no time. Those combinations are called as natural additions. Okay, beta? Now watch. Let me erase the simple combinations first on the board. The first number is 0, right? 0 is a very easy number. 0 plus any number will be same number. See, the highest number is 0 plus 9, no? But the highest number is 0 plus 9. 0 plus 9 is 9. It's again a number less than 10. So there's no problem with 0. 0 is very, very easy. Natural additions. 0 plus any number will be same number. So absolutely no problem with 0. Okay. Then they took the chance of 1. Now with 1 also is a very easy number. 1 plus 0 to 1 plus 9 we can add in no time because the highest number is 1 plus 9, 10. See? Up to 10, whatever answers you get, it will be easy for you to add up. So absolutely no problem with 1 also. We can add any number to 1 in no time. Next, chance of 2. Now with 2, all numbers are easy except for one number which is going above 10. That is 2 plus 9. See? So the balance numbers, that is a 2 plus 8, 2. What numbers I'm actually erasing? They are called as natural additions. Okay? Next, they took 3. With 3, the only 2 numbers which are adding to more than 10. That is 3 plus 8 and 3 plus 9. The above combinations are very natural. Got it? So we are erasing all those numbers because all those combinations because they add up to below 10 only. With 4 plus 0 to 4 plus 6, no problem. Only 3 combinations are going above 10. That's 4 plus 1, 4 plus 8, and 4 plus 9. Okay. So absolutely no problem with, up to 4 plus 6. With 5. With 5 plus 0 to 5 plus 5, no problem.
5 combinations.
From only 5 plus 6 only, it's going above 10. So only 5 plus 6 and above, we need to hold on the board. Okay. With 6. 6 plus 0 to 6 plus 4, no problem, because only up to this point, they're adding up to 10. The above combinations are going above 10. Okay. With 7. 7 plus 0, 7 plus 1, 7 plus 2, 7 plus 3.
7 plus 3.
Only this. Okay. Okay. Now, let me tell you, since we reached this point, let me tell you till now, whatever it is. Okay. I'll first show you what those numbers are. Right. Okay. Yeah. Now with 8. With 8.
8 plus 2.
Only
3.
0, 8 plus 0, 8 plus 8 plus 1.
8 plus 0, 8
Combinations
plus-
are easy. The below numbers are adding to more than 10, right? With 9. 9 plus 0 and 9 plus 1.
9 plus 2. 9 plus 0, 9 plus 1.
And 9 plus 2 to 9 plus 9, they are like, a bit complicated. I mean, that is adding to more than 10. So it takes a bit time for you to, add up them. Okay. Now, let's see from this remaining numbers, what else we can erase? Now we can erase numbers like this, beta. 6 plus 6 is very easy because that's hiding in between, but 6 plus 6 is very, very natural. We can add up in no time. Similarly, 7 plus 7 also, see? Similarly, 8 plus 8 also. Similarly, 9 plus also, see? Adding same number is very easy. Okay? Let's see what else we can erase. Okay? Right. Now only the leftover numbers we need to learn them. We need to know what will be the answer when you add them. Okay. Now count and tell me on the board how many numbers are there. How many combinations are there? See, look, I'll show you. Okay. 1. Yeah, see, we have only one combination. 1. 1 plus 2, 3. 3 plus 3, 6.
32.
6 plus 4, 10. Okay. 10.
32.
10 plus again 4 here. 14.
So 32.
32, sir.
14 and 14
32.
plus 5. 19. 19 plus 2, 4, 5, 6. 19 plus 6 is 25. Okay. And then 25, 26, 28, 30. Yeah, that's it. There are only 32 combinations which are common. Actually, at the beginning of the, this particular erasing, you're seeing there are totally 100 combinations. So, beta, out of 100 combinations, only these 32 we have to, learn. Remaining 68 are very easy. Whatever we erase on the board right now, they are very natural. Only this 32 we have to learn them perfectly. Okay. Now let's see what else we can omit from the board. Okay. See, though we have 32, see our ancient Indians were genius they were. They further reduced them. So what is that? See, you have a number 2 plus 9 here, no? Can you see a 2 plus 9?
Yes.
They said don't remember 2 plus 9 because we have its reciprocal like 9 plus 2. Can you see here? 9 plus 2? Yes. So they said don't remember 2 plus 9 because 2 plus 9 plus answer will be same, no? They said don't remember 2 plus 9.
Yes.
Now see, next we have, here see, we have 3 plus 8 and 3 plus 9. See, can you see here? See this combination here? They said don't remember 3 plus 9 also because we have 3 plus 8 like 8 plus 3, 3 plus 9 like 9 plus 3. Can you see here? See, can you see here? Yes?
Yes.
So we also have to erase 3 plus 8 and 3 plus 9 also. Now can you see a 4 plus 1, 4 plus 8, 4 plus 9? They said don't remember that also because you see we have 4 plus 8 like 8 plus 4. I mean 7 plus 4 like 4 plus 7, 4 plus 7, 4 plus 9. Can you see that? 4 plus 7, 4 plus 4 plus 9. Like reverse, reciprocal. So they said don't remember 4 plus 7 to 4 plus 9 also. See? Now let's see what else we can erase. Okay. Now we don't remember 5 plus 6 also. See 5 plus 6 also. See? 5 plus 6 is 6 plus 5. See?
7 plus
Now let's see here. Next one you see.
7 plus 5. 7 plus 5.
5 plus 7 like 7 plus 5. See? No need to remember this also. 5 plus 8 like 8 plus 5. See? 5 plus 9 like
6 plus
9 plus 5. Can you see that? So don't remember 5 also. Okay.
6 plus 7.
Ah, because like 7 plus
6.
6. 6 plus 7, okay. 6 plus 8 like 8 plus 6. 6 plus
7
9
plus 6.
9 plus 6. Here's this also. Now, here we have 8 plus 7, no? 7 plus 8, no? 7 plus 8 like 8 plus 7. Don't remember this also. 7 plus 9 like 9 plus 7. Don't
9 plus
remember this
7.
also. Now we have here 8 plus 9, no? 8 plus 9 like
Yes.
9 plus 8.
9 plus
Don't remember
8.
this also. That's it. Now count and tell me how many combinations are left over on the board right now.
4.
16.
Yes.
16.
16 only.
16.
16.
We are left only with 16 combinations. There were 100, no? We reduce the 100
Yes.
to
Yes.
32 first. The 32 again we further reduce to 16.
16.
No, but the game of additions lie in mastering these 16 combinations only. That's it. Only the 16 combinations you have to learn, not all. 100 not required. Only the 16 combinations we should perfect. We should master them. Now, how to master them? Don't worry. Even for that, we have an exercise in Vedic mathematics. We're gonna discuss immediately after this. Okay. Now we got it. Only the 16 combinations what you see inside the thick box. Okay. Only that should be committed to not committed to memory. You have to understand them. Okay. I'll tell you how to master them. I'm going to tell you a bit later. Yes. Can you see this box? That's it. Only the combinations inside that box, the red box, you should learn perfectly. Okay. Now let's get to learn that 16 combinations. How? Okay. I'm erasing this. Okay, now to master those that particular 16 combinations, we have a technique in our Vedic math called as the
N
N
number.
numbers. N numbers.
yes,
number.
all the n numbers. Okay. In Sanskrit, we call this as there's a name to this. Okay. It's called the Antyanka.
Antyanka.
Antya means end. Anka means for the number. I told you date and number both are the same for the first 10. Okay. Now, basically, in our Sanskrit, Anka means
Number.
number or digit.
Number.
Basically, digit.
Numbers.
Yes. Now, what is end number is very easy. I'll just show you. Who is that? Who is writing on the board? What is his name? Ahmed or something. No one has asked his board with that? Anybody? Whereas, okay, will be removed from the group. Okay. Now watch. Now what is the Antya? Guys, you must take only those 16 or 30 combinations. Like 4 plus 8, how much you get?
12.
12. Okay.
12.
We should write only 2. Don't write 12 completely.
Yes.
This 2 is called
Two.
Antyanka, yeah, end number.
Number.
7 plus 5.
Plus 5. 3. So 2.
12.
Two.
Write only 2. Don't write 12 like what you did here. Don't write 12. Write only 2. Okay. Then 3 plus 9. How much you get?
1.
2.
12 again.
2.
Ade Paul Miku. You should not tell the wrong answers. 9 plus 3 is 12. Somebody says 13, somebody says 14. You should avoid that. Okay, now this is called the end number. Okay, beta? Now with 9, there's a trick I want to tell you because with 9 you have seen there are many combinations. So just so when you have seen totally got 9 plus 2 to 9 plus 8, right? We have 7 to 8 combinations with only 9. That's 7 combinations. Yes, we have 7 combinations with 9 only. Now 9 plus any number, the end number will be one number short of the number. See, example, 9 plus 4. 4 one number short. How much you get? See, that's the end number 9 plus 4. 9 plus 6. 6 one number short. 5. See, that is only for 9 only better, not for all numbers. 9 plus 8. 8 one number short. 7. Now 9 plus 9. 9 one number short. 8. This only happens with 9 only. Okay.
Sorry, 8.
Right. That's the end number of 9%. Okay. Yeah. Now 6 plus 7. What's the end number?
6
Sir, 3.
Right, 3. That means 3 only.
3.
And to write the 3, we should not count the fingers. Most children count the fingers now while doing additions. The main idea behind the end numbers is to avoid the habit of counting the fingers. Okay, beta? There are only 16 combinations, no? As you get practicing, it will become perfectly normal 16, okay?
Okay, sir.
Now, 8 plus 5. What's that number? 3. 7 plus 4. What's the number?
1.
9 plus 6. What's the number?
9
I don't know. 9 is the number, one number short. 8 plus 7. What's the number?
5.
Again, many confusions. 5.
5.
Now make friendship with this guy because this guy is hiding somewhere in the middle, okay? So don't worry, I'll give you exercise, you'll automatically, become habituated with this number, the combinations. Understood, beta? What's the end number? Okay, now I'll just write some combinations. You should try to tell the end numbers in a flash, okay?
6 plus 5.
1.
1.
2.
5.
Got it? Yeah.
6 plus
2.
Sir, 9 plus 3, 2.
4.
4. 7.
5.
Okay. Now we have only 1 minute to listen. We have only 1 minute to close the session. So what I'll do is I'll just close the session now. Now you have to rejoin again with the same link what I sent in the WhatsApp. Click on that again. Join back. Okay, beta? Join back immediately.
Okay.
Come fast. Join back immediately.